How to create KEPLR wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your browser, and if you are on mobile device, then just simply open up the Play Store or App Store, then search for KEPLR wallet. And over here, you just need to open up the very first link in the search results, and this is where it will take you. And in case if you are on mobile device, then you will be able to find KEPLR wallet there. Just simply install it. But if you are on browser, click on this option of install KEPLR and wait for it to load. Then you need to select whether you want it for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Apple, iOS or Android. So in this video, let's check how we can add it for our Chrome. Just simply click on this option of Chrome, and this is where it will redirect you. Now over here, you will be able to find the option of add to Chrome. Since I have already added it, that's why it's showing as remove from Chrome for me. For you, it will show add to Chrome. Just simply click on it and then it will redirect you to the different page. Over here, you have to finish 3 different steps. Currently, I am on second step, and after providing the details, just simply go with the flow and make sure that you write down the recovery phrase. If in case you are using recovery phrase option, just write it down on a piece of paper because it can be stolen from your computer or device. So it's better to write it down and save it. After that, it will ask you the random words over here in order to check whether you have written it down or not. Then provide your wallet name and also provide your password. After that, just simply click on this option of next. And in the next or the final step, you just have to select the chains. You can select as many chains as possible according to you and your use cases. Just select them, and you can also change these chains later on. So it's completely fine in case if you forget to choose some other chains that you might be using. You can also search for different networks over here in case if you are not able to find it in the list. And after that, just scroll down till the very end and click on this option of save. After that, just simply click on this option of finish as your account has been created. Now you can access your account by clicking on this option of your extensions. And in case if you are not able to see it over here, then just simply click on this option of extensions. And over here, you will be able to find the option of KEPLR. Just simply pin it and you would be able to see it over here. And this is how you create KEPLR wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.